What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is probably one of the most requested bikes, and we just haven't had our hands on one till now. So we actually had a customer who wanted it so bad. He said, you know what, I'm going to ship you my bike. I'm also going to order a kit for my buddy. So we ended up selling 2 kits to the same customer, which was pretty cool. I did not expect this to have the rear rack on it, so that was also another cool feature. Really excited to actually see it come with a rack because I wanted to see what it would look like with the wide tire. And you can see even around the back here, the rack is actually still wider than the big wheel kit, which is kind of cool. But yeah, if you're riding in the woods and you want to carry some supplies, some drinking water, maybe extra fuel, maybe some snacks, I don't know, whatever you want to carry, this is cool. I won't be making racks, so don't ask me to make racks. This is made by, looks like cycleracks.com. So I've already had a few guys ask me about making racks. We are not making racks, but we are definitely selling big wheel kits. That's what we're good at, and that's what we're going to focus on. So cool feature on this bike, as I always talk about, we've got the anti-vibe handlebar mounts. We've got the wide billet triple clamps. Our customer already went ahead and added a headlight on here, so it looks like he just put a handlebar mounted switch for his headlight. Now, we can put one of our headlights on here. If you guys wanted to replace your number plate, we have a really nice headlight that will work on this bike. We reuse the stock forks, and it goes right down to our billet hub and our heavy-duty front axle. Now, we've actually retained the stock CRF250F front brakes. We've got the stock disc and the stock caliper because that's actually a really nice setup. Now, the biggest problem with the big wheel is to try to make this big rear hub that we've created is generally designed for CRF450s. So on the CRF250F, we've actually upgraded this to a CRF450 size axle. We've got double bearings on each side. We've got our jack shaft up here in the front. That allows the chain to go around the wide tire. And since we went to the CRF axle, we upgraded you to the CRF450 rear disc and brake caliper. Now you're able to reuse your stock line, which is really cool. So when you buy this kit for the CRF250F, it's going to come with this complete rear end with the upgraded brakes and all that. That's going to actually give you better rear brakes to help manage this back tire. All right, guys, in my opinion, overall, this is the best bang for your buck trail big wheel. Reason I say that, this is actually a very affordable bike from Honda. Yeah, you can pick this bike up fairly cheap from Honda. If you want us to build one, we can go right to our local dealership. We work very close with them. We can pick up the bike, install our kit, and ship it right to your doorstep. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.